matag aduna tay isa ka printer nga gi-deliver sa Mamburao Elementary School together with our group sa Tevescares kay kato siya sir gikan manggito siya sa Tevescares nga pundo headed by Congressman Arnie Teves, Mayor Henry Pride of Bayawan, and Board Member Kurt Matthew Teves, 3rd District. Tevescares, headed by Congressman Arnie Teves, Mayor Henry Pride Teves of Bayawan, and Board Member Kurt Matthew Teves, we would like to turn over one Epson L120 printer to Mamburao Elementary.
Thank you very much for the support school. Okay, very needed din naman yung mga printer. So, thanks for the biggest peers. Sila na Honorable Ford Mateo Teves, Honorable Arlene Teves, and Honorable Pride Teves. Yung
Our group.